Hello, today I will show you how to change your mouse and custom key binding settings in Dungeonborne. First, you'll need to go into the main menu. Do so by pressing the escape button or simply by clicking in the top left corner on this here button. While in the main menu, go down and into the settings. Here, go into mouse and keyboard section. Here, as you can see, there in the mouse section, you can change your sensitivity. I'll crank it up. You can change your aiming sensitivity multiplier. You can choose your aiming method between hold and click. You can invert your mouse on X and Y axis. Although I don't know why would you do that. Anyway, you can also, as you can see, you can also change the between hold and click option in your interaction or skill charging, or in the crouch. As you can see, I can customize it however I want, although I will leave it at, in the default settings. And thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.